What's the meaning of classifiable? Classifiable. Classifiable.
Classifiable. Classifiable. The term classifiable refers to something that can be categorized or grouped based on a set of criteria. It implies the ability to assign a label or classification to an object, idea, or concept. In other words, it is the process of organizing or grouping related items together. This can be useful for analyzing data, identifying patterns, and making predictions. By classifying things, we can better understand and make sense of complex information. Overall, classifiable refers to the ability to categorize and organize information into meaningful groups.